The reasons implants fail, there's actually quite a few reasons. They found out 81% of all implants have cement around them, and that starts what's called peri-implantitis, which is basically gum disease around the implant. A lot of implants fail because people have not put the proper bite on the implant. And the people that love to extract the tooth, put the implant in the same day, and restore the tooth the same day, that's what the patient wants, but the failure rate's like 35%. The reason is between month 1 and month 2, that bone is very, very soft. So if you're pounding on that implant, that will fail. Another reason implants fail is the doctor has not picked a good candidate. Either they don't have enough bone, they're a heavy smoker, they're an uncontrolled diabetic. So those are really the biggest reasons. And when I try to tell people, even if you don't choose me, don't go to the dentist that will take out the tooth, put the implant in the same day, and restore the same day. 35% failure rate, and now you're behind the curve. Now you've got even less bone than what you had to start with. The cone beam is the standard of care now in implant dentistry, and it allows us to properly place the implant in the position for the proper restoration. And so that is the way to go, and that is the only way to go. Patients really like not being referred out. Patients like coming to a place like we have here at Dentistry by Design, where everything is done under one roof. So I will do the extractions, I will do the bone graft, I will place the implant, I will take the impressions, I will place the restoration. And if there's issues, I can deal with the issues. We know how to go in and deal with post-op infections. We know how to deal with restorations that pop off. So for the patient, it's a big convenience. They're not driving all over the countryside. If you are having trouble with an implant, whether it's the crown, the restoration of the implant, or the implants itself, that you're losing bone around the implant, please give us a call. We will sit down with you and we will tell you what we can do to help you save your implant.